Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use PVAPins, your go-to platform for buying virtual phone numbers for verification and testing. First, go to pvapins.com. On the top right, click Sign Up. Then click on Register New Account button. Now fill in your details, name, email address, strong password and CPAPA. Then click Register. After that, check your email inbox to verify your account. Once verified, you can log into your dashboard. Next, let's recharge your wallet to buy a virtual number. After successfully logged in, you will see your dashboard like this. Hover on top up and click the Recharge Your Account option. Here you will see the available payment method based on your country. Select any payment method. I used cash to recharge my account. Then select the amount. I choose $5. Then click on Create button and follow the procedure. After successfully recharged, the funds are added to your wallet and you are good to purchase a number. In this video today we will see how to sign up a Snapchat account with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a valid phone number. Now go back into PVAPins and search a country. Search here for Snapchat. You will see some phone number with its rate. Select any of them. A number will be shown here. Enter this number into the phone where the number need to enter and go on. Wait a little bit and click the refresh button. A verification code will be shown here. Take this code and enter it into the verification field on your phone and done the sign up procedure. You are now done to sign up a Snapchat account with virtual phone number. Thank you for your attention.